Hello, my little creatives, and welcome back to another episode of Drawfully Fun, Draw With Me, a game edition. As you can see, we're in the Minecraft world today, and we're going to take a look at something super cute today. As you can already tell by my screen here, we're going to draw an adorable little bee. That's right, we're going to draw this super cute Minecraft bee right here hovering around me in my own cartoon version. So we're not going to play the game. This is just so you guys can see what it looks like in game. Let's jump right over to my desk and let's get started. I'll meet you right over there. Ready? Let's go. And just like that, boom, we're back at my desk. Welcome everybody, welcome. Let's get started. We're going to draw a very easy drawing today, the most adorable little bee ever. I'm going to start with the eyes today, and we're going to make them look like little rectangles, but with little curved edges. So right here, we're just going to come around, make a little rectangle for the eyes. Very basic, and see how I rounded out the edges. We want them to be nice and smooth. Same thing over here. Let's bring it around. Make it a little symmetrical. We don't want them exactly the same. After all, our eyes are never the same, right? And there we go. So we have two cute little rectangle eyes. Now the Minecraft bees, as you saw in the game, they have really beautiful blue looking eyes, right? So we're going to do a little blue eye right here, but we're not going to make it square like in the game. I decided to make it round so it actually looks like big old eyeballs. So they're both going to be looking towards the center here, as if they're looking up towards the beehive that's possibly up here, hypothetically. Let's give it a little mouth. We want it to have a cute little mouth just to look adorable. Very basic, right? I love it. Now, before we can come over here and make the square face, I want to make the antenna that are right on top of the head. So from my right eye, I'm going to come up and make two little lines, 1 and 2, and then just make a little rectangle on the top. Now we're still going in the spirit of the pixel art in Minecraft, so we're just going to make square little antenna instead of circles. So we're going to go up on this side as well, right on top of the left eye, all the way up, and then make a little rectangle. Bloop. Like that. There we go. Looking good already. Now right here, we're going to go ahead and create the rectangle or heart. Not a heart. Obviously, I need to learn my shapes. I don't know my shapes. We're going to create the square head, the square. So I'm going to use my antennae as a base on where I'm going to start. And I'm going to round out my edges again. But this time, instead of making a perfectly straight square, I want to make it look like it's really puffed out, kind of bulging around at the edges. So we want to round out our curves all the way around, bring it up to the top, and start curving inwards. Like that. Look at that, coming together already. And then we're going to come behind the antenna, and we're going to just follow that invisible path and close it out and meet where we left off on that one. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Look at that, looking good. Let's bring this around. Now we're going to create a shape as if it were a bread loaf. I guess that's the only thing I can think of that's more of a rectangle shape. So we're going to have it looking downwards. The body is going to be facing downwards right here. And so we're going to make a rectangle coming out from right back here. And I'm going to go with the same design of making it look like it's a little puffy. So I'm going to curve my edges a little bit, round it out, and bring it down, all the way down. Just about where we want this line to be. Let's actually bring this line a little down, so we know where to stop, bloop, and close this out, bloop, like that. So we have a nice little square coming downwards. But before we can close out this square right here, we're going to have 6 little legs that are going to be popping out here. And so we're going to kind of guess where our line is going to be here. And I'm going to draw little legs right here on the bottom. And they're just going to look like little rectangles or little squares that are not closed off with round edges. And we're going to line these up in a diagonal, kind of going down this line right here, and just make 3 of them on this side, 1, 2, and make this one smaller. The lower you go, the smaller they're going to get. 1, 2, 3. So you see how they're going at an angle? Let's do the same thing over here. So kind of go to your left, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. So we got cute little feet. Look how adorable that is. Now we're going to close this out. Bring it all the way back here. We're going to connect it over here. So bring your line and go behind your little legs that you just created right here. You can connect that line right there if you want. Bring it down, connect it to the bottom. We want to make it look like they're coming outwards, bulging out a little bit on this corner. And then we just close it out on the bottom. Follow this little path and connect it to where that line is in the back. So you see how it kind of looks like a little bread loaf? It looks adorable. I love it. Let's give it its little stripes. So right here, just bring our little stripe down. Another one right here. Kind of give it that little round bulge, same little shape that we have for this whole thing. Get the idea? Bring another one here and right here. So it looks like 2 stripes. But we're going to make these stripes also go on the underbelly. And so they got to go sideways this time, just below where the little arms are. So follow where you left off on this line and just go to the right, all the way across, like that. Follow where you left off on this one, bring it across, like that. And over here, same thing, all the way back. And this one, go behind the little feet, all the way back, like that. Look how adorable he is. He's so cute. He, she, anything. Let's make some wings. So I'm going to start with a big wing right back here. It's going to be a rounded wing. I decided to not go with a full square out look. I still want it to look Minecrafty, but I still want it to look a little bit more my bubbly cutie. So we're going to come over here and make a big wing going all the way around like a really big leaf. All the way around. And a line right in the center. I'm telling you, this is a very easy drawing today. Not like my usual drawings. We're going down to a very basic, adorable. The work is going to go into putting the colors in, the shadows, the highlights. Let's see how creative you can get with your colors and your highlights and your shadows. So go ahead and do all these wings right up here. And another little line. And there you go, guys. Oh my goodness. That was one of the fastest videos we've done here on Drawfully Fun. Wow, this came out amazing. And you know what comes next, right? Let me show you how adorable my Minecraft bee came out. Ready? The completed version. Ta-da! All right, everybody. I would love to see how yours came out. Feel free to feel free to give this a try. Let me see how you did. Post your completed bee. Hashtag DrawFullyFun on social media. If you have a YouTube channel and you want to post a video of you drawing it, feel free to hashtag me or send it to me. Send me a message. I would love to see it. And have you checked out my shorts channel recently? Yeah, that's right. If you haven't checked it out recently, I went ahead and moved. Well, I haven't moved them, but I put all of my shorts on a new separate channel so that we can have everything separated. So feel free to go check out Drawfully Fun Shorts. All of those short little 15 to 20, 30-second video clips that I've been putting up are all over there. You're not going to see any more shorts on this channel. I'm actually going to begin doing daily posts again for full-length tutorials. So I'm taking on the challenge of going for 30 days straight doing a daily full video tutorial hopefully starting today. So stay tuned to see what comes tomorrow. Maybe it'll be another game. Maybe it'll be one of my characters. If you want another one of Minecraft characters, let me know which one do you want to see next. Do you want to see a panda? You know me and pandas. Do you want to see the axolotl? Oh, I might have that one ready for you to go. You never know. All right, everybody. Until the next time, happy creating.